Starting with section 3 of complex numbers. Let's begin. So section 3 is loci and your course has 3 loci. The first one is circle. What's the equation of a circle of a complex number? It's z minus a is equal to b, where a is the center point, b is the radius, and z is the variable point, and minus is the standard sign in the middle. So guys, there is no complex number, no a. So can I write like this? 0 plus 0 iota is equal to 2. That means let's make a loci. So my center point is 0, 0, and my circle has radius of 2. Center is 2, and the radius is center is 0, 0, and the radius is 2. Let's draw. Got this? So this will be minus 2, this will be plus 2, this will be minus 2. Got this? Now let's do this. So minus is the standard sign, but that's not the case. Can I write like this? Yes, sir. So now let's draw this. Minus 2 plus 0. Where will minus 2, 0 will lie? Here. So now let's draw a circle. Okay. So this is minus 2, this is 2, and this is minus 4. Got this? दो पर दो नीचे दो राइट साइड पे दो लेफ्ट साइड. अब बेहतर ये होगा कि आप कंपास एंड प्रोट्रैक्टर यूज करो. Got this? Now this one. Can I write like this? Z minus 0 plus 2 iota. That means my center point is what? It's 0, 2. That means this one. Now my radius is 2. That means दो पर दो नीचे दो साइड पे दो इधर. So now let's draw a circle. So minus 2 plus 2, 0 and 4. Do you get this? Now this one. Z minus common लिया बच्चे 2 plus 0 iota is equal to 2. That means my center point is 2, 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now दो पर दो नीचे दो इधर. You make a circle. Do you get this? So guys, क्या आपको बात समझ आ रही? ये आपका center point है. Let's practice more. Now, can I write like this? Minus 0 minus 2 iota. That means it's going to lie here. 0 and minus 2. इधर आगे बचे. Now, my radius is 2. दो पर दो नीचे दो इधर दो इधर. So let's make a circle. So this is positive 2, this is negative 2, this is negative 4. Do you get this? Let's practice more. So this one. Now minus common liya. So minus 2 minus 3 iota is equal to 4. So guys, where will minus 2 minus 3 will lie? It's going to lie here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now my radius is 4. 4 ऊपर 4 नीचे 4 is side पे and 4 is side. So let's draw a circle. So this is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Do you get this? This is positive 2, this is plus 1, and this is minus 7. Do you get this? Because radius was 4. Now comes greatest and least value of modulus. So जब आप सर्कल बना लेते हो बच्चे, ये आपका होता है मिनिमम मॉडुलस और यहाँ तक आपका होता है मैक्सिमम मॉडुलस। मॉडुलस हम लोग कैसे ढूंढते हैं? अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। अगर मैं उसमें रेडियस ऐड कर दूं, will I get the maximum one? And अगर मैं रेडियस सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, will I get the minimum? So max modulus in case of circle is, only circle की बात कर रहा हूँ, modulus plus radius, and minimum modulus is what? It's modulus minus radius. Let's do one example. So here, let's take minus common. 4 minus 4 iota is equal to 2. Where will 4 minus 4 will lie? It's going to lie here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So guys, it's going to lie here. 2 is the radius. Here is the radius 2 and 2. So you're going to make a circle like this. You get this up. Let's find out the normal modulus. How do you do that? Under root 4 square plus minus 4 square. That's under root 32. So for maximum, it's going to be under root 2 plus the radius. This till this point. So the radius is 2. So this will be my answer. And for minimum, it's going to be till this point. So under root 32, if I minus the radius, will I get the answer, guys? So let's find out the answer. 32 plus 2. That's what? 7.6566. And बच्चे, the minimum will be under root 32 minus 2. That's going to be आपका 3.66. Do you get this? That's how you find out maximum and minimum modulus. Now comes maximum and minimum argument. For that, bache, you should know two properties. What's the first property? That whenever radius and tangent meet, it makes 90 degrees. And then comes the fish property. In two tangent meets, the angle at this line from the center, that means the radius, makes 90 degree here. And these two angles are supplementary, means add up to 180. And it's a bisector here. Okay. So guys, this is a question given to us which I'm solving on the next page. Here, we need to find this sign is for modulus and this sign is for argument. So you need to find maximum and minimum argument and maximum and minimum modulus. And this is the equation of a circle. Let's draw this property. So 4 comma 4. How do I get this? Take minus common. 4 plus 4 iota is less than equal to 2. Okay, now 4 comma 4. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to lie here. So 4 ऊपर, oh, radius is 2. 2 ऊपर, 2 नीचे, 2 इस side पे and 2 इस side. Let's make a circle. Do you get this? Now, what's my modulus in this case? It's this. Under root 4 square plus 4 square. That's what? Under root 32. So maximum modulus will be 7.66. That means under root 32 plus 2. And the minimum will be under root 32 minus 2. That's 3.66. We did abhi recently in a question. So that will be my value of P and Q. Now comes maximum and minimum argument. In that case, always make this property, the fish property, okay? So this and this, you get this. Now, let's find out the normal argument till this point. So that's what बचे आपका 4 and 4. तो tan inverse 4 upon 4. That means tan inverse 1. That's what? Pi upon 4. Do you get this? Now, minimum modulus is still this line. Maximum modulus is still this line. So if you find this purple modulus minus this part, so will I get the minimum modulus? Yes, sir. So what's my minimum modulus? It's this angle. Can I find this easily? Let's see. My modulus was under root 32 and my radius was 2. Let's make this triangle here. So this is under root 32, this is 2, it's a right angle triangle. Now, let's find out the angle. So before that, let's convert that to degree. Radian mode. Now, it's going to be sine theta is equal to opposite is 2 and hypotenuse is under root 32. It's going to be sine inverse 2 divided by under root 32 is equal to बच्चे 0.361. So if this is 0.361, will this be 0.361? So my argument will be pi upon 4 minus 0.361. So it's going to be pi shift and pi upon 4 minus 0.36 and 1. So I got बच्चे 0.424. Do you get this? Now, what will be a maximum argument? Is maximum argument till this point? So till here it was pi upon 4 and this is 0.361. So it's going to be pi upon 4 plus 0.361 is equal to, let's go at the back and write plus here. So it's going to be 1.146. Do you get this? So how do you get maximum and minimum argument? It's argument minus alpha, which you get by using sine, will give you minimum argument for circle, and argument plus alpha will give you maximum argument for circle. Got this, guys? I hope you are clear with minimum and maximum modulus of a circle and minimum and maximum argument. So let's proceed to the shading and dotted circle and solid circle. So if the question has less or greater sign, you're going to make a dotted circle. If it's less than equal to or greater than equal to, you're going to make a solid circle. Wait, I'll show this in an example here. Now, if there is greater or greater than equal to sign, you're going to shade outside the circle. And if there is less or less than equal to sign, you're going to shade inside the circle. So here, The question is in front of you. Now, what's my center point? It's 2 and 3. That means this is my center and my radius is 1. So you make a circle like this. Got this, bacho? This is 3, 4 and 2. Now, kyunki there was a less than equal to sign, that's why I made a solid line circle. Dotted line. Now, less का मतलब shade inside the circle. Got this? Now, this is the question given to us. 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 4. Right? My radius is बच्चे 1. So that means एक ऊपर, एक पीछे, एक इधर. Let's make a circle. Do you get this? Now it should be dotted circle. Why it's going to be a dotted circle? Because there is with sign. Only greater sign, not greater and equal. Now comes the shading. So you're going to shade outside the circle. तो सर हमें तो फिर पूरा पेज शेड करना पड़ेगा. No, it will involve other loci only, other loci also, जिससे आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा क्या शेड करना. Got this, बच्चों? So we are clear with the first loci. Now I'm starting with the second loci, that's perpendicular bisector. Guys, A and B are the two endpoints of the perpendicular bisector. I would highly prefer you use compass and protractor, please. So there is no points given. So let's write 0 plus 0 iota. Minus is the standard sign. 2 plus 0 iota. Now let's plot these. 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. It's going to be here. So perpendicular bisector will be at 1. Guys, ये तो बहुत simple था ना. 0 and 2 के बीच में I know bisector will be in the middle. Got this? Now this one. Z minus 0 plus 2 iota is equal to Z minus 0 plus 4 iota. Where will it lie? So 0 comma 2 will be here, 0 comma 4 will be here. So my perpendicular bisector will lie here. Got this? At 3. 0 comma 2, 0 comma 4. So ये तो आसान है, you can do it directly. But जो आसान नहीं है उनमें I would highly prefer use compass and protractor like this one. Take minus common 2 plus 2 iota. Now one point is what? 0 comma 0. And my other point is what? 2 comma 2. So आप कंपास को 0 and 2 के more than half the distance से खोलोगे. एक आर्क इधर, एक आर्क इधर, then एक आर्क इधर, then एक आर्क इधर, and make a line. You get this? Again, मैंने आपको क्या समझाया? Make with the compass, even though sketching लिखा. अब आती है इसकी shading and dotted line and solid line. अगर greater या less है तो dotted perpendicular bisector बनेगा. अगर greater and equal to या less than equal to तो solid. Guys, इसमें less या less than equal to का मतलब होता है nearer and greater and equal to का मतलब होता है far. So let's do this. So there's nothing written. 0 plus 0 iota less than z minus 2 plus 0 iota. So it's going to lie here. It's going to lie here 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. Got this? So my perpendicular bisector will be here at 1. Now less means nearer. Means 0 comma 0 is nearer than this, which means this side will be shaded. And will I make perpendicular bisector solid line? No. It's going to be a dotted line. Do you get this? अगर ये ग्रेटर होता दैट मीन 0,0 is far than this, तो 2,0 वाली साइड शेड होती, this one. Do you get this? Now comes the third loci argument, z minus a is equal to pi upon 4. So there is nothing written. That means z minus 0 plus 0 iota. Got this? So now, first of all, in this argument, you mark this point 0, 0. Then you make a horizontal line. Pi upon 4 is 45 degrees. So you make an argument that's pi upon 4. अगर ये नेगेटिव होता आर्ग्यूमेंट तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ओ क्लॉकवाइज बनता. Right now it's positive, that's why it's anti-clockwise. Now let's do this one. Argument z minus 2 plus 0 iota. So it's going to lie where, bache? So minus 2 and 0. It's here. Make a horizontal line here and it's pi upon 4. We get this. Now this one. Z, take minus common, it's 0 minus 3 iota. Do you get this? It's going to be 0 plus 3 iota. Got this? Pi minus pi upon 2. So you're going to highlight the point 0, 3. Make a horizontal line. And minus pi upon 2 means this clockwise direction because it's negative. Now in this one, greater and less में dotted line, greater and equal to less than equal to में solid line. ग्रेटर और ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल टू में अबव आर्गुमेंट लाइन होगा एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू में बिलो आर्गुमेंट लाइन. So now this one, take z minus common, it's going to be 1 minus 3 iota. Got this? So guys, where will 1 minus 3 iota will lie? It's going to lie here. So make a horizontal line here. Now minus pi upon 3 means what? Minus 60 degrees. So that's going to be here. Do you get this? Now it says लेस देन इक्वल तो शेड कहाँ होगा? लाइन के नीचे. डू यू गेट दिस? अगर ग्रेटर होता तो लाइन के ऊपर. डू यू गेट दिस? एंड सॉलिड लाइन इसलिए बनी क्योंकि लेस देन इक्वल टू था. नाउ दिस वन, z माइनस कॉमन लिया 1 plus 2 iota. So that means it's going to lie where? 1 and 2. That means this one. Make a horizontal line here and then pi upon 4 पे आपने डॉटेड लाइन बनाना है. वाई डॉटेड बच्चे? क्योंकि खाली ग्रेटर लिखे. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द शेडिंग. ग्रेटर मींस लाइन के ऊपर. लेस अगर होता तो कौन सा ये शेड होता? दिस. सो डिड यू गेट ऑल थ्री लोसाई? बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ आई एम जी का मतलब क्या होता है? वाई एक्सिस. एंड आर ई जी का मतलब क्या होता है? एक्स एक्सिस. So guys, ये लोसाई बनाना है and difference between greatest and least argument चाहिए. Now let's begin. So I can clearly see this is the equation of what? Circle. Let's take minus common. So it's going to be minus 1 plus 3 iota. You get this? So let's draw that. Minus 1 and 3. It's going to lie here. Now radius is 1. So ये मेरा circle बन गया. Got this? So the first loci is done. Then the second one, IMZ is greater and equal to 3. That means y is equal to 3. So you made a line like this. Now, y is greater and equal to 3 वाला आइडिया शेड होना है and circle में it's less. So that means circle के inside वाला. Now you need to find out the difference between the greatest and least argument of this region. So I can't apply the circle वाला केस है. इसमें region का ढूंढना है. So what's the least one? Least argument is still this line, and greatest is still this line. Region का. Region start इधर हो रहा है, end इधर हो रहा है. और difference चाहिए मतलब ये लीस्ट है यहाँ तक and ये greatest है. The difference मतलब ये चाहिए. I need to find this out. So guys, it's going to be, I know this is what 3 and I know this is what 2. So let's apply tan theta is equal to 2 upon 3. So that's going to be tan inverse 2 upon 3, which is going to be 0.58. तो guys, क्या आपको minimum and maximum argument of region भी ढूंढना समझ आया? So at this point, I'm going to end this lesson here. Here we complete the loci, but we are left with geometrical part and the shortest distance part.